Hello everyone, here is Vintage Lego Toys, and I have here today the Lego Wooden Bowling Game with the set number 1308. And as you can see, this is a kind of item that was playable. I will show the mechanism later in the video. You also can see that it is with 3 or 4 colors when you count the wood color with. One of the more colorful items. At the front you can see here, it is a little bit damaged, but the Lego logo. And you can see some pins are in a little bit rough condition. On both sides is sadly not much to see, that's why I'm only showing this side in the video. But here at the back, you can actually read here the different numbers for the different points that you get when you play the game. And now, let me show you my best score. So, I scored very good. As you can see in the video, the balls that I use are not actually the original ones. The original ones were much bigger and were painted in the same colors as the pins. So there was 2 red balls, 2 blue balls and 1 yellow. So, I hope you enjoyed that video about the Lego Wooden Bowling Game, and I hope we see us